Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to update Cryptomator step by step. Keeping Cryptomator updated is important because each new release may include security improvements, bug fixes, better compatibility, and new features that help protect your encrypted files. So let's get started. First, open Cryptomator on your computer and check which version you're currently using. You can usually find this by opening the Help menu and selecting about Cryptomator, or by opening the application settings, depending on your operating system. Next, visit the official Cryptomator website and go to the Downloads section. Compare the latest available version with the one installed on your computer. If a newer version is available, download the installer for your operating system. Now, close Cryptomator and make sure all of your vaults are locked before starting the update. This helps prevent file access issues and ensures your encrypted data remains secure during the installation process. Run the downloaded installer and follow the on-screen instructions. On Windows and Mac OS, the installer will usually replace the existing version while keeping your vaults and settings intact. On Linux, update Cryptomator using the same installation method you originally used, such as AppImage, Flatpak, or your distribution's package manager. Once the installation is complete, launch Cryptomator and unlock one of your vaults to verify everything is working correctly. Check that your files open normally, and if you use cloud storage like Google Drive, OneDrive, or Dropbox, allow your files to finish syncing before making additional changes. And that's it. You now know how to update Cryptomator and keep your encryption software secure, stable, and running with the latest features. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next